Another scenario I'm finding here on GBPCHF, if we look at the 4 hours time frame closely, we'll notice that price has been oscillating between 1.265 and 1.21 since late last year, which gives us a scenario where we have a wide indecision phase which has been happening in the market since this time. And if we notice that we have a specific supply zone which has been peculiar with price action, and at the same time, give me a moment, supply is red. Then we have a demand zone which also has been holding since November last year, and demand zone is green. So now, and if we look at it closely, price has been doing an upsurge from this demand zone a multiple of times, and this is and it also happened recently in the month of March, where price moved with approximately 300 pips. Now, price is back at this region again, and I'm thinking that we're going bullish on this one again. Um, how do we take advantage of this? If we move on, if we scale down to 1 hour time frame, we will notice a reversal structure which is already building up in this area. Let me hide this demand, this screen. Okay, so we'll notice that we have a a a a reversal structure which has been holding. As you can see, price has been moving since the beginning of since late March. Price has been moving downtrend, and unfortunately, when it got to 1.21 area, price began to find it difficult to move below 1.21, which is a sign that buyers are coming in and sellers are actually losing that steam that's that pushed price down. So in this regard, I identified a key level at this zone at 1.215. Yes, 1.215. Give me a moment, please. And this zone, golden zone, should be golden in color. And if we look closely, right, good. And with the reversal structure identified here, so let me label this 215 key level, 215. With the reversal structure identified here, I'm expecting a breakout of this key level for a signal. Then we have a confirmation before price move continue to the upside. But before this happens, we need to know where our take profit is going to be. Like I said, we're in a demand zone and price will could go as far as the supply zone we identify. Where's the supply zone we identified on yeah, far as the supply zone identified on the 4 hours time frame, which is going to be around 300 pips thereabout. But before this happen, in the short term, how do we take advantage and on the short term from the short term perspective? The first thing I want to be looking at is this: considering the last impulse leg, which moved from 1.24242 area into 1.21 area, this impulse leg, we want to be looking at a retracement into the golden zone area, which is between 50 to 786 retracement, which is which is around here. So I'm looking for a take profit around this area. After then, we can now look at how price reacts at this area to determine if we want to go further up. So in this regard, I placed a pending order. Sorry. So I placed the pending order around here. That's 1.21599. And if we have a breakout as expected and we have a rejection, the rejection will allow me to add more position at the citation of a reversal structure at that key level. So that being said, we have around 100 pips target on this one with around 30 pips stop loss on this one. So let's see how price plays out as time goes by. I'll keep you updated as price action is being monitored. Thank you.